Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can change your theme and your home screen for your TCL Android TV. So on this TCL Android TV launcher, this is not possible. So the TCL Android TV does not let you change the background image or any theme of your current TCL Android TV. So in order to do that, you have to install a third-party launcher. So to do that, you can simply go to the apps on the top of the screen. And in the apps, you can open your Google Play Store. In the Google Play Store, you can simply go towards the search bar on the top left side, on the top right side, and you can search for launcher. So there are multiple launchers for your TCL Android TV. You can choose between any one that suits you. So let's click this one. So as you can see, this one is not really good. So for example, if I want to, so this is a launcher called Projectivity Launcher. You can simply click install to install this launcher. So as you can see, the launcher has been downloaded and now it's installing. So as you can see, the launcher has been now installed. I can simply click open to open it. And it is asking you to allow to read the information and grant it special access to act as the default launcher. So we can simply go to permissions and we can allow the permissions that it requires and simply get started. So as you can see, my screen has now been changed and now this is my default launcher for my TCL Android TV. I can see the apps right here, all the mobile apps right here, the settings right here, and everything. And if I want to change the wallpaper, I can simply click here, this wallpaper. And I can click next, and now it is going to change my wallpapers. So this is how you can simply change your wallpapers on your TCL Android TV. You need a third-party launcher as well, and this is how you change your themes as well. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.